So when I was checking my DVR right now, it didn't have the RSSI on it. On my goggles, it looked good. I don't know why there's an issue with the DVR. We're here. I'm gonna do a flight with the RSSI on the X6B FlySky receiver, and we're gonna see how that works. I don't know if we're gonna get good video. I've got a lot of planes that I'm having to deal with here, so I can't fly high. I'm gonna have to stay real low. There's walkers out there. All right, here we go. Let's look. Video is way better now. The RSSI was functioning. It was showing me 99% down to like, I think it dropped down to like 80 something percent. So yeah, success today, guys. Very, very good success. I'm gonna call this attempt 3 with succession. Good video, and yeah, I'm gonna call that a job well done today.